Miss Irene heard that. She'll love Miss Irene. Listen to that. Listen to it.
All the pretty girls went in with the bridegroom.
You should hear this one, End of the Rainbow.
That's Soccer Girl.
Oh, that's pretty.
Hey, how you doing? All right.
That's a terrible song.
Y'all look good.
He didn't even know his name. Yeah, and standing out all to himself. He didn't have a friend to help.
You was nice, Miss Irene.
Which one is y'all server? Which one is y'all server? She'll be around here in a minute.
Oh, yeah, you know the little short girl with the
Oh, okay, with the blonde hair.
short cut. Yeah, blonde
That
hair.
one right over there.
Yeah, that's all. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
We pretty girl.
Yes, y'all are. Go ahead. Go ahead. Yes, she
If
is.
we have fun, we come here now.
It's in her heart, though. She love people. She not acting.
Huh, what's the
That's
matter?
it's not. You're not acting. It's in your heart. It's in your heart. I seen the way you did her birthday party. I seen the way you did her birthday party. You love people.
That's the way my mama raised me.
This is the Red Hatter Sparklers of Franklin, Virginia. Started by Queen Irene Britt. And Renee is in charge for the month of February. And this is her gathering at the Fred's Restaurant in Franklin, Virginia. Driver Walter Hobbs. They came individually today, but he's known as one of the drivers. And this is 7 of the original group of the Red Hatters. 7 of the original group. Mary Britt, Miss Barbara,
I don't think she sent me the picture yet.
Renee,
Ruby
Miss Ruby,
and
Miss Diane Williams,
Not her mother wrote it out, but
and
you
she,
put this-
she
but-
and a
but-
guest
no,
of the
no,
Red
put-
Hatters.
No, put that she is the daughter of Renee.
Daughter
They
of
gave
Renee.
their Red Hatters
Party. Daughter of Renee. I mean, mother of Renee.
They gave-
This is the mother here. Her name, Miss Fannie Mae, is the mother of Miss Renee, who gave the party for the Red Hatters this
And
month.
she's a Red Hatter.
And she is a Red Hatter. Started out a pink hatter, but became a Red Hatter, Mama's first. Yes, and and I told them they got the lamp light, they got the oil and the light. This little foxy thing here is something else. Oh, I forgot about that song. Flashlight, yeah. All
Miss
right.
Irene got the picture. She gonna sell